Hi friends, here I am going to show you how to use Testmos. So open Google Chrome, type Testmos and click on testmos.com. Then you have to click on build a test. Here you are supposed to give a name for the test. Here I am going to give the name like PA3 English. Class 7. After that you have to give a password. You can create your own password. Here I am creating 1234. Then you have to retype your password in the next box 1234. Then click on create a test. After clicking on create a test, you can see one menu. Then you have to click on adjust settings. The test name is appeared. Here you can type in introduction. You can give the students introduction. Here I am giving the introduction question as attempt all the questions. After that you can select the color theme. Here I am going to select the theme as maroon. After selecting the theme, you can go to question settings. Here already by default show all the test questions on one page is already on, so I want that option, so I'm not going to change anything. And randomize the order of the questions during the test, and that is also on. I wanted that. If you do not want, you can untick it or you can tick the option. Then review question conclusion test. Here you are supposed to type thank you. At the end of the test there will be a message, thank you for taking the test. That's all. Then you can see show a question message. If the student passed or failed, you can either tick or you have to type the congratulations, you have passed. In failed message you can write you have to improve, like that message you can type, or you can untick, it's an optional. Then at the end of the test display the user score, that you have to put tick mark. Then indicate if the responses was correct or incorrect, that I had put tick mark. But I don't want them to display the correct answer. Correct answer should not be shown because there are chances of copying it, so I put it off. Display the explanation if you want to do, then you can, otherwise no. So I have unticked these two options. Then who can take your test? So it is already by default anyone is there, so I'm not going to change anything. Then how much time do test takers have to complete the test? Here I'm going to give the time to complete the test 30 minutes. How many times can someone take your test? So I'm giving one time. After that they cannot do it again. Then what should test takers enter to identify themselves? Here you can give how they can enter into the test by giving their name, class and division. So here you can type here, enter your name, class and division, or if you want to make them enter into the test by adding the email ID, you can type enter your email ID, like that. So after typing that, no need of doing this. Click on no, save, click on save button. So your testing setting has been saved. Then if you click on the menu, we did the settings. Now we are going into the questions. Click on questions. Here click on insert button. There you can give different types of question, multiple choice, give only one answer as correct. So here you can type the question here. and give the choices, multiple choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. If you do not want choice 4, you can delete that, click on that, and you can click on the delete option. That question will be deleted. After typing the question here, you can make it bold, you can make it italics, you can give any picture, or you can give any video, or you can give any equations. So after typing the question, give the options, then give the points, 1 mark, 2 marks, how much marks you want, you can give that. By default 1 mark is already selected. Then you can give which option is correct, you can click on the correct option. No need of saving anything, it will automatically save. Let's go to the next type of question. We can give a true or false question. True or false question, you can type the question over there. Is it true or false, you can give the correct one, give the points, then go to the next one. If it is filling the blanks, you can type the question, give the correct answer here. Sometimes the children will be writing with small letter or capital letters without starting with the not like the answer which we had given. So you should not tick mark over here. If you tick mark over here in case sensitive, so if they have typed in small letter or capital or mixed way, it will be shown as wrong. So don't tick mark over there. Then that question is over. The next is match the following. If you want to give match the following question, you can give. You can type the question here. You can give the options here. Like here the questions are here: cat, whale, gecko, spider. These are the questions, and the answer side you can give like mammal, insect, all these things as answer side. Then after that, here you on the near to the cat, you had to give the answer for cat option. So suppose in the in B section, this if the answer is first answer, cat's answer is 2, you can click on 2. And if whale's answer is in B section, it is 1, you can give 1, like that. So if you want to add in section A, you can add over here, click to add. If you want to add more questions, more answers, you can click to add in B section. And you can give the points over here as 4 marks or 5 points. Don't click on give partial credit. Okay. After that, you can give this as now it is in numeric way. Match style is in numeric way. You can give in text style also, like this. So the answers will be here, and you have to select the correct answer and do it. So that's all. These are all for the questions. Now, after doing the questions, so our questions are ready now. You can check the preview. Next we are going to publish. Click on publish. Here you will get the link, testmos.com 6061874. Click on the link. Then you can share with WhatsApp or through Gmail or whatever you want. So the students have to click on that link and they have to enter. That's all. Then after that, I will show you how to view the results. Here the names of the students will be appearing here, and the marks will be there. Then how you have to give, download the result, just you have to click on point grid. When you click on point grid, that result will be downloaded here. Click on open, and you can open with Excel or WPS. If there is in your phone, it will be open. It should be there in your phone. So my office is open, MS Office is open, and you can see the results over here. When the student type, we can see the results over here along with the name. We can see just like the test portal and Google form. Or you can, if you click on export, that result will be copied and we can paste into Word or Excel sheet. Then I will show you how the students have to appear for the test. Suppose this is the link, which this is the, if this is the link for the students to appear for the test. I will show you. Sorry, suppose this is the link. They have to open this. Just they have to click on the link. After that they have to click on student login and type their name. So I am giving one name, class and division, Tina 5B. Okay, then they have to start. So they can see the question, click on the answers, correct answers, like this. After that they can submit. That's all. Now if it is a teacher, they have to click on administration button and give the name, like give the password which we have created earlier, like that. Sorry. For the teachers, we have to click on the administration button and we have to give the password which we had given earlier. Then after that we can click on view results. So the results will be appearing like this. Okay, now if you want to make the clone the test, if you want to give the same paper to the other subject teachers of other divisions, you can click on clone. Then click on clone test. There one link will appear. Again you have to click over there. Then click on publish. Again publish. Then one link will be appeared. This link you have to copy and give to the teachers, so they can this link you have to copy, share with other subject teachers. So like this. So it will appear like clone of PA2 exam. Now I have already cloned the link, so that's why it is given. So like that we can make 2 or 3 4 teachers are there, we can give like this clone. So they all can check their results and they can download in of their class only, not the entire class together. In Google Form everything together will appear, but in Testmos you can download the results of your class. Thank you.